You're watching. Is it recording?
Yes, it's recording.
You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Chanel.
And today we're going to check out some chips from Taco Bell.
Look, everybody's been there. You guys all know the little wordplay they have with the little hot sauces and everything, you know what I'm saying? So, what are we checking out today?
Well, before we check it out, I want you to do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. So that way you can watch more videos just like this one. But we're checking out their chips. So they basically got the fire and also the Diablo. It's based on their sauces, right?
Yeah, so you guys have all gotten the sauces before. They have all the little quirky, witty sayings and stuff like that. But they decided to come out with chips. Tim got them from 7-Eleven, which, again, that's my go-to. Anytime they're open late, you know what I'm saying? But look at that. Right there. Bam. So what did that one say?
So this is Diablo and this is fire. So
what did it say though?
You thought you were hot.
You thought you were hot. You ain't hot, bro. You not Diablo.
I don't know. We've had some hot stuff, so
Yeah.
I'm not really scared. I don't know about you.
I never had the chip.
Hey, if you guys want to see Trinell eat some really spicy food like Carolina Reaper or something like that, let me know in the comments below.
Look,
I bet you Captain Fantastic should let us know right now.
To be honest with you, after trying Balut, which is in that video right there, I'm pretty sure I'm like a superhero where I can do anything. You know what I'm saying? So, go ahead. Do it. Ooh! Look at that.
Alright, so let's start with this fire. So, fire.
So, can we say it's lit? Is that like, can we use that term? Is it lit? It's lit.
It's lit.
It's a fire.
It kind of smells like curry.
God. Ooh, nah. You know what that smells like? This smells like, if you guys, I don't know how many college kids are watching this, but if you do some top ramen noodles, this is like the chili flavor. That's what it smells like.
No.
I didn't say it was hot. I just said it smelled like chili flavor. Man. Yeah, these are good. They're not hot. But if you want to eat some shit at nighttime, I love Takis personally, but these are pretty good. We're gonna see what.
This is Diablo, so I guess this is their hottest chip, right?
Is it really?
Yeah.
Have you seen the one like on eBay with the coffin, and it's like one chip for like $20 or some shit like that?
Oh yeah.
Have you seen that?
Yeah. People actually go into Taco Bell. They'll get like a handful of like sauces like the Diablo, the Fire, Inferno, and all that stuff, and they'll sell it on eBay.
They sell the sauces on eBay?
They sell it on eBay. They sell packs of it on eBay. Everybody sells everything. Like, it's crazy.
It's to be honest with you, it's a little crazy because whenever I go to Taco Bell and I get the $5 box, whatever the box is, they just throw a whole bunch of sauces in there.
There we go.
Ugh.
So let's try this.
You know I get bad heartburn, right?
Yeah, he does.
Oh, so you cool with just like trying some Diablo?
Send him some Pepsi AC. I'll give you an address.
Hey, if you guys got coupons for like Walgreens, Rite Aid, for some like Pepticid or whatever, I don't even know what it's called. Send them. No, hold on.
Black,
let
and then
me
it has
find
like,
you a good one. I don't think that one's good.
It's kind of, it has like this powder like all around it.
You know what? I think, let me, oh,
Nah,
yeah, go ahead, take that one.
This one looks like it's going to be spicy.
Shit.
They're actually pretty good. Trinell can't handle spicy food.
Hey, fuck you. Is that a beep? Did we get a beep? Alright. It's not crazy. Definitely not like Carolina Reapers or some, you know, habanero challenge. I actually can do this. Or what did we do last time? It was the icy.
Oh,
ice.
It was like
Cool, spicy?
Samyang noodles, but it was like spicy, but you kept it cold. Just watch that video.
That one right there. He actually prepared everything, which I'm really proud of because he can't prepare shit. He's not a cook, but he definitely actually made the hell out of those noodles. If you like Takis, sorry, that's what I normally mess with. Hot Cheetos are cool, but Takis are the best.
But anyways, as far as these chips go,
So look, if you guys are like me, you normally don't like to do hot stuff.
you can't handle the heat, the spice.
Don't listen to him. Anyway, don't listen to him.
You can't
But
handle
for me, I like to keep it calm, cool, and collected. They have a mild version of these chips, but
He's a boozy.
come on, man. Look, this right here, fire, not too bad. It's cool. You're not gonna taste the heat. Diablo, a little bit different. I can't sit here and vouch that you're not gonna feel a little fire.
It's not.
Alright, it's not. You won.
It's
Sorry.
not. No, but actually, you know what? This tastes good though. I'd stock this.
You thought you were
I'd stock this.
hot. He thought he was a thought. No, I'm just bad. Anyways, you guys can go get these. Tim picked them up at 7-Eleven. So they could be close to you. 7-Eleven that's very near. But we tried them tonight and I think they're actually pretty good. So if you guys are down to try them,
Let us know what you think.
Exactly.
If
Try
you've
them.
tried them in the comments below. Also, if there's other stuff that you want us to check out, let us know in the comments below. It'd be easier to put a link so that way we can find it. Sometimes we can just click that click button and buy it.
Anything you guys
Buy
can do to
now.
make it easier. We're actually pretty open to trying a lot of stuff. But if you do put it in the description, we'll definitely try it out. Love you guys. And make sure you share this with your family and friends. Why?
Love it.
Ah, they'll love it.
And we're going to catch you in the next video. Peace.
Peace.